Alright, got it. Ow. That's Herman.
I wish I had a hat. I should have brought my brother's hat.
We need a hat.
You look all gangster.
Wait, hold it.
Oh, shoot!
Hold it.
Okay, I'm trying to get...
Take off your gloves.
Alright, there we go.
Take off your gloves. Okay, ready? I'm gonna make it a hat. These are my gloves.
Oh, God. Let me stay back a little bit more. Oh, that's really cute. Leave it like that. That's really, really cute.
Video's going. Look,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
8, 7, 6,
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.